Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. I'm starting this one off very late and I apologize for this awful lighting. I feel like it's been so long, because it kind of has, since I've recorded. I took like a week and a half off, just completely disconnected, was barely on my phone or on social media even, and my boyfriend and I went to Salem, Massachusetts. We got back late last night and it was nice to get away for a few days and disconnect. And I was so excited to start vlogging again and come back like all refreshed. And then I brought my camera with me this morning. I was trying to vlog like my whole day and went to turn it on to start recording and realized I didn't have an SD card in the camera, so I couldn't record anything. But I just got home from work and I've been out for the past 12 hours, so it's been a long day for me. This morning I had some beauty appointments. I got a lash fill, I had a Brazilian wax, and then I went to work. I had 2 clients. I did end up having a chance to run home and get the SD card before I went to work, so I'll insert that here. My first client of the day was actually a color correction. As you can see, she came in with very stripy highlights that were a whole mix of colors. They were brighter, lighter, and more cool toned up towards the top, and then her ends were very orange and brassy, and the highlights themselves were just not blended at all. So our goal was to give her a more cool toned beige blonde balayage and have everything be more blended and more even. So I went through and I did thin slices back to back and just lightened over those brassy ends to lift them past that orange phase so that we could tone them to a brighter, more cool toned blonde. I believe I started with 15 volume developer with my lightener, and then I worked my way up to 20 volume, and then I let her sit and process under low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. After I rinsed the lightener out, I toned her. I decided to do a shadow root that matched her natural root color so that I could kind of drag that root down and blend that area where her highlights started. And because the highlights were so light towards the top, I had to fill it in order to match it to her natural color because her natural color is so dark. So that's why my formula for that is a little complicated. And then this was my toner formula for the ends of her hair. And this was the final result. I was very happy with it. I feel like the actual color is a little bit off in this clip because it was dark outside at this point and the lighting in the salon isn't the best, but the final tone was a really pretty beige blonde. It's already almost 9 o'clock. So I'm finally about to have dinner. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, get caught up on everything that I missed over the last few days, and that's gonna be my night. Good afternoon. Happy Halloween. I can't believe that October is over now. It feels like I just decorated for fall and now in a few weeks it's gonna be time to decorate for Christmas already. But I'm getting ready to record for a podcast. One of my YouTube friends, Camille, she has a YouTube channel where she shares advice for like frugal living and how to save money, and she is actually starting a new podcast, and she asked me if I would be a guest on one of the episodes. So I'm very excited about that. I will have her YouTube channel as well as a link to the podcast. I'm not sure exactly when it's gonna go up, but Once it is live, I will have a link to it in the description. After I'm done with this, I think I'm gonna head over to my parents' house. My mom is making cheesecake today. She makes the most bomb homemade cheesecake. She hasn't made it in a really long time. So I'm gonna go over there, hang out with my family for a bit. Hi, thank you so much for having me. Yeah, I know we have known each other for a really long time. I think since like probably 2014 at least. Just finished the podcast. Oh, it was so much fun. That was my first time doing a podcast and I was a little bit nervous. I mean, talking to her is so easy and we've been like internet friends for a long time. So I feel like it was a very organic conversation, but I just always get nervous when I know that I'm not gonna be able to edit down what I'm saying because I feel like I stumble over my words a lot. And it was really funny because at one point there was like a Trump rally going by outside of my apartment and it was super loud, so we had to pause. There was like all these cars and trucks driving by with Trump signs that were just laying on the horn. I don't know why that's necessary, but okay. She did say that the podcast is gonna go up probably sometime in December though, so it'll be a little while, but once it is live, I will definitely let you guys know if you wanna listen to it. We talked a lot about financial freedom and changing careers and like working for yourself, quitting a 9-to-5, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, now I am going to just get ready and head to my parents' house. Oh, and actually I got a new purse, so I want to switch over and show you guys. It's from the brand Angela Roy. So this is what the bag looks like. It is so cute, so chic. And it comes with a little strap like this and then also a longer strap so you can wear it like a crossbody. It just feels like such nice quality. So it has two main compartments, a zipper compartment on the inside here, another smaller compartment on the inside, then another little compartment on the outside. And then it just has like a magnetic close. And it's like the perfect size because it's like spacious enough that you can store everything in it, but not too big and bulky. Thank you so much, Angela Roy, for sending this bag to me. Oh, this is so cute. So I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to check out their bags, and I'll put a second link to this specific one if you're interested. All right, so I'm gonna head out now. I will see you at my parents' house. Good afternoon. It's the next day. It's already kind of late. It is 4:19. The clocks went back last night, so today just has been a weird day. Like everything just feels off and it feels a lot later than it actually is. And it's also been like very dark and cloudy all day. My boyfriend and I were just hanging out on the couch, watching Hoarders all day basically while he worked on some schoolwork and stuff. But now he just ran home to get some things from his house. And I really just need to straighten up my apartment. I just feel like really gross. I feel like I've been in a rut for kind of a while. The last like month, at least over a month now, I've just been eating like crap, getting a lot of takeout, just eating a lot of processed foods, and my skin is starting to show that now, and I just feel disgusting. So I really want to like tidy up my apartment, and then I need to go to the grocery store, and I just want to buy a whole bunch of healthy food, and I just really, I need to get my life together. hours later, I now have a fully stocked fridge. Very excited, and I was in the process of making a big salad for dinner. My boyfriend got a bunch of cookies, which I will not be having any of, but I decided to just make a bunch of it and kind of like meal prep. These are so good. I've shown them in vlogs before, but it is parsley, red pepper, red onion, tomatoes, and cucumbers. And then I add some chickpeas. And then I don't even put dressing or anything on it. All I do is I squeeze half a lemon on top and then add salt and pepper. And it is so fresh and so delicious. So I drained the chickpeas and I'm just gonna distribute this among the salads. Just squeeze my lemon. I love pink Himalayan salt, but I forgot to get more of that, so I'm just gonna put a little regular table salt on top. Also, I almost forgot, I saw this when I was at the grocery store and I've never tried it before. It sounded interesting, so I thought I'd get it and do a little taste test. It is a draft latte, pumpkin spice, foamy nitrous infused milk plus cold brew. It's kind of good, but it's very milky. It reminds me a lot of just like the Starbucks Frappuccino, like the pre-made ones from the grocery store. It tastes very similar to that. Just very milky and probably would not get again. Happy voting day! Are you excited to vote?
No.
To exercise your right to vote?
No.
Why are you act so weird all of a sudden when the camera's on?
I don't know. I just don't like being on camera.
You were
I'm not excited to vote.
But you've been talking about
the choices are shit. Who would be excited for this?
So we are on our way to go vote, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast. It's like just hitting me that like today is the day. We're gonna find out
Probably
by
not.
tomorrow morning.
Nah, probably not, honestly.
You don't think so?
I think it'll be like probably a week before we have like a definitive answer.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to watching, you know, them counting and the votes coming in. And, like, that's always exciting to me.
Yeah, I got some live streams I can watch.
Yeah. So I'm looking forward to that.
The live action news.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Look at everybody.
Look at that democracy in action.
Damn. Look how long this line is.
Damn right. Damn
That's
fucking right.
That's exciting. I have never seen all the cars lined up. My God. I've never seen that many people.
And they weren't even social distancing.
Outside.
Crazy.
I've never seen that many people like in line to vote around here, I don't think. I hope that where we go
It's not like that.
doesn't have a it
Yeah.
shouldn't be.
Jesus Christ.
Oh no.
We might just be better off like parking at my house and walking here.
No. Oh my God. What the hell? This is really crazy. It's never like this. Oh my God. Like, yeah, our voting location's small in the woods. Oh. Wow. We were in that line for at least an hour and a half. And it's so cold out. I feel I really should have been more prepared. If I had like bundled up more, it wouldn't have been so terrible. But our toes are frozen. But we did it. We voted. Where's your sticker?
Oh.
That's right. And it was weird. I wasn't expecting to have to like actually fill out a paper ballot. Are they doing that for everybody?
I have no idea.
I don't know why it's different. Normally where we vote, they just have a machine. But
and I'm hopeful that Joe still has several paths to 270 and towards being our next president.
Oh, you're awake? Mm-hmm. Oh, I thought you were sleeping. What's the update?
I don't know.
Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I've just been editing the vlog, everything you've seen up until this point. My boyfriend's been listening to live streams since yesterday, just waiting for all the votes to come in. As of right now, they have not announced a winner yet, but I just wanted to say that, you know, I don't like to get political on social media really, but it was very encouraging to see how many people came out to vote yesterday. I think I heard yesterday that this election was like record breaking as far as how many people actually went out and voted. Or, you know, mailed in ballots. That's just really exciting. So regardless of who you voted for, regardless of who wins, it's just really important to remember that we need to just all treat each other with respect and be kind to each other. We are all human beings at the end of the day, and we have more similarities than we do differences. Anyway, I am going to wrap up this vlog here. I want to send out all of my love to all of you. I hope that you're all doing well and trying to stay as calm and positive as you possibly can during everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.